So I want to complete this lesson showing you a really quick, simple application of how to use embeddings. And that application is search. So we use search every day. Nowadays we're using search a little bit less because a lot of people are using ChatGPT, and ChatGPT uses search a lot of the times to be able to find relevant results to be able to respond to you. Search is core to using the internet or using the World Wide Web. And so let's create a tiny search engine using embeddings. So I have this function here, it's called semantic search. I'm going to give it a query. This can be a search query. It's going to have a corpus of text, which in our example is just going to be the sentences that we had above. We're going to have embeddings for each one of those sentences. We're going to return the top K results. By default, it's set to 5. So the first step here is taking our embedding model and embedding that query. The second step is then to calculate the similarity between that query embedding and all of the other embeddings in our corpus, or every other sentence embedding. And so after that, what we do is we then sort the similarities, the sentence similarities in descending order, and then select the top K of them. This is what this does. And then we're going to print them out along with their similarities and the sentence. So I'm going to run that. So our example query is going to be what to eat tonight. So we're going to query these sentences on what to eat tonight, and I'm expecting, as you see here, to get back a list of sentences about food. And so we do. Pizza is the first one. I love making pizza, burgers, sushi. This is what you would expect, right? If I change the query to like latest AI news, we get a bunch of stuff about AI and machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. If I change it to pets to adopt near me, I get all this stuff about animals, right? Dogs are the first one because it understands that pets and adopting and dogs are more likely are related because humans we have dogs and cats. These are usual pets that we have versus something like a fox. And so that's really quickly how we can use these embeddings to be able to query a database, in our case, a very simple database of a list of sentences. But this shows you the underlying principles that we will be using throughout the course.